So you're sitting there all excited to play your favorite game on your brand new PS5, and suddenly you're hit with an error code, NW-2116-2. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. First things first, let's understand what this error code means. NW-102216-2 is an error that occurs when your PS5 fails to connect to the PlayStation Network, PSN. It could be due to various reasons, such as a poor internet connection, server issues, or even a problem with your console's network settings. Now, let's get to the troubleshooting steps. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is properly connected and working. You can try restarting your router or modem to refresh the connection. If your internet connection seems fine, the next step is to check the status of the PSN servers. Sometimes, the error code is caused by server maintenance or temporary issues. You can visit the official PlayStation website or check social media platforms for any announcements regarding server status. If the servers are up and running, but you're still facing the error, it's time to dive into your PS5's network settings. Go to the Settings menu, then select Network and set up Internet connection. Choose either Wi-Fi or LAN cable, depending on your setup, and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your network settings again. If none of these steps work, you can try power cycling your PS5. Simply turn off your console, unplug it from the power source, wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on again. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches or issues. If all else fails, it might be worth contacting PlayStation support for further assistance. They have a dedicated team that can help you troubleshoot specific error codes and provide personalized solutions. Remember, encountering an error code like NW-102216-2 can be frustrating, but with a little patience and some troubleshooting, you'll be back to gaming in no time. Good luck and happy gaming.